stuck on our mouse trap. Cause we have a mouse and we got it and we threw the trap, we threw it away and then we have another trap out in case there was some more rats. And yeah, the bird got stuck on it. So
Mommy, give me you.
flies are running around because it's hot. Mama, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're whipping.
Mama.
You're whipping the wings. Is that the glue or the wings?
Glue.
Yeah, it's the glue. You're supposed to cut the glue off. I don't know if you can cut glue. Look at the bird. It's a young bird.
Yoshi.
Just put the
Yoshi? Yoshi?
Yeah, Yoshi.
He named it Yoshi.
I did this. Mommy, give me this. Mommy, what is it? I did
I'm
this.
afraid like when we get it out, it's going to hurt us because we did something to him. I'm going to stand back and make sure he doesn't hit me. I don't know if it's a he or a she, but wow. If you don't know my name, just check on my other vlogs and you might hear them. So yeah.
More.
Well, the reason it's bad is because I'm recording my phone. That's why. I can't get rid of it. Stand back so it doesn't flap away. Like, it doesn't like, when it hit you with the wings. Mama, it's working.
More fake.
Don't hurt the bird. Here, I'm going to take that from you. Don't hurt the bird. It's an innocent bird.
Yeah, the bird.
You have to go to the animal doctor?
Yeah, I was there. Mom. I want to lick it. I see more.
Don't worry, she's not cutting the wing, she's cutting the glue. She is not cutting the wing. This is not animal abuse, so we're not cutting the wing. I can show you, we're not cutting the wing. Look. I have proof. Mama, did it work? The body is still stuck on there though. Well, there's another birdie right there. It could help. Birdie, your friend got stuck. Okay, I'm scared now.
Lucky, here it goes. Lucky. They're froggy, Mommy, they're froggy. Froggy.
kids. Olha wat bestaat voor kids.
Yeah, we're trying to help you, little bird. Dude, Mama, I can do bird language. You want me to do bird language?
Zip, 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 zip.
You want me to do bird language? We're not cutting the wing. Cutting the glue. Mama, do you need more paper? Is it out? Mom, when you keep, when it hears the rap, it like scares, it scares the bird. It literally took us like 10 minutes because I recorded kind of late.
Skilletje ermee komen, skateboard op
Like that.
Ja, precies.
I don't want to get my shoe stuck. I'm scared. The bird. Well, can I take my shoe off? Is it off? Bye-bye. Is it off? Can it fly? Mama, put it on the floor. Put it on the floor.
Dat ben jij niet de pap van dan. Eagle.
It's not an eagle, it's a bird. Sorry if it's dirty, because I have grease on it. I was eating right over there. Why is it not doing anything? Well, that's glue, and wings are not sticky. What happened?
Kids.
Really? Flag, don't touch that!
There, fijn.
No! Put that down! So we're literally picking up that knife because we need to work on that. Like, I think it's the longest video I've ever done.
Kijk maar beetje.
What? Hammer goes the other way. Hold up. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm gonna go somewhere far and then I'll zoom in. I'm gonna go 2 steps closer. 1. Here. 1, 2. Hold up. Just saved the bird. It just flew away. Look. So, yeah. Bye-bye.